Today I'm going to share with you a bunch of products that I've been loving that I get at Target. So I thought this would be fun to do. Some of these are new purchases, like new products. Some of these I've been ordering for a really long time. So we're going to do a mix of like cleaning products and then also beauty products. So a little bit for everybody. I love the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products and I use them all the time. I clean everything from countertops to random things. It's just a good all-purpose cleaner. This scent, it's called Fresh Cut Grass. It smells so good. It's limited edition, so if you see it at Target, definitely grab it. I'm gonna link everything down below too, so you can check it out if you're interested. But not only is it really good at like removing dirt, it just freshens everything and it makes your house smell so good. I am obsessed with this scent. I really like the Daisy one too for this time of year, but this one, so good. Next up are the e.l.f. Lippies. This is the Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm. And I like these three colors. So I actually have this one on today. It is Strawberry Shortcake. I think this is a dupe for the Summer Fridays. It smells really good. It feels very similar to that too. I would say it's like a little bit more melty lip balm. Those might be a little bit thicker, but the same type of consistency. They smell so good. You get a good color payoff. So this is the color I have on today. And then the other two colors that I love are the Yummy Gummy, which is more of like a berry, and then also the Vanilla Toffee. And they smell so good. So here are the colors: Yummy Gummy, Strawberry Shortcake, Vanilla Toffee. So pretty. They absolutely nailed it with these. And I had ordered a keychain. I'll put it up here. So it's for your lip glosses. And you just put it right in and then you can hang it on your bag and have them whenever, wherever. These are perfect for that. So I'd been on the hunt for a good drugstore priced shampoo and conditioner. I don't want to have to spend $1 million to get a good shampoo. I have an itchy, dry scalp. So I did just Googled, I think even in ChatGPT, and I said, what's the best drugstore shampoo and conditioner for X, Y, and Z? And it gave me the Dove line. And they're clean products. This one's specifically for dryness and itch relief. I don't really have any damage. I don't color my hair a ton or anything like that, but it has pyrithione zinc and coconut oil in it. They're really good. I specifically have a hard time with certain shampoos making my hair, like the cleaner ones, making them just feel greasy. Like I'll get more greasy in here. I have a lot of hair, so down here it's never like that. But this product doesn't do that. I'm able to wash my hair like every other day and my scalp feels clean. It's helped a ton as far as it being dry and itchy. So definitely worth it to check out this line if you struggle with the same type of stuff I do. Let's talk about some nail stuff. So if you follow me for a while, you know that I do my own nails at home. I don't have any on today because I'm giving my nails a little break. But the two things that I always order all the time are Sally Hansen. This is cuticle remover, and then also cuticle oil. So the remover first, I put it on my cuticles. I let it sit for about 10 to 15 seconds. It really softens everything up. I'm able to push my cuticles back and it just dissolves them or just loosens them up enough that I can take a cuticle trimmer and get in there. And then the oil is such a game changer. It just keeps your cuticles so soft, and it has vitamin E in it and just makes your nails look so good for the final touches. So those two I highly, highly recommend, something that I always go back and purchase. Next up are these disinfectant wipes. I always just get the up and up ones from Target. I've been getting the lavender scent one. They smell so good. It's just fresh. It's almost relaxing. And I just wish that they had it in a 3-pack, because right now you just have to buy, like if you want to get a scent one, you just have to buy the individual package. So much more affordable going with the Up and Up brand than it is the name brands. So if you're looking for a good disinfectant wipe for everything in your house, check these out and love the lavender. And we are in the middle of a heat wave here in New Jersey. It is very hot. I'm staying inside. And in my house, it's cool. That's why I have a sweatshirt on. If I keep my house 72 degrees in the summer, that's not the same 72 that it is in the winter. Do you know what I mean? I feel like in the summer, I'm always freezing with the air that low. I was on the hunt for a good multivitamin because I've been taking a lot of supplements and things after having some blood work done. and just want to make sure that I am getting my minerals and vitamins and key nutrients to the levels where it's benefiting my health, especially as I'm getting older and hormones and things are changing. I love a gummy multivitamin, but you can't find one, or maybe you can, that also has iron in it and the omega-3s. So that's when I found, this is the Olly, and it's the Women's Multi Plus Omega-3. So not only does it have omega-3, and I'll show you how they look, but you just take like 2 a day. So they're just like little capsules, but not only does it have omega-3 in it, but it also has iron in it. So I'm gonna put up on the screen the supplement facts so you can check it out. It has B12 to support like cellular energy and production. I mean, not in a substantial level. It has 6 mcg. I currently take a supplement for B12. What else I like is that it has biotin in it, vitamin K, stuff to support your nails and your hair growth. So I was taking another supplement for that. And vitamin C, zinc, and then the omega-3s for brain, heart health, joint health, that kind of thing. And then as I mentioned, it has iron. And for me, I'm always lower on iron. So my doctor recommends that I have a supplement with it. Very happy so far with these. So I figured I would mention it in case anyone is looking for a multivitamin that is all encompassing as this one is. Back to makeup and beauty is this e.l.f. Sunstick. I bought like 5 of these and I have them all over my house. And I have ones for my kids where I just write their name. And it's great because it is so quick. It's just touch and go. It is clear. I have it on today. It works perfect under makeup. You're not gonna get that white cast. It's not sticky. It doesn't feel like sunscreen. It's just great, and it's 50 SPF. Definitely worth checking out if you're looking for something that you can just quickly put on your face that isn't gonna leave a white cast. It's not gonna be sticky and messy on your hands. It's not gonna feel greasy on your skin. They did a phenomenal job with this one. Fragrance booster. So I thought I still had the bottle, but I just did a refill. So I will insert a clip here, but this is my absolute favorite for the summer. It is so fresh, and a lot of the light ones by Downy don't last as long. And I had put clothes away, I think like one of my kids' clothes that they haven't worn since last summer, and I could still smell it almost a year later. Like it still just smelled so fresh. The scent is Ocean Breeze. So you only need like 1 scoop for this one because it is so strong. But if you're looking for a new scent, or if you want to just get into fragrance boosters or detergent little beads, check out the Downy Light line. The lavender one's good too. So is the vanilla cashmere, but the Ocean Breeze one is just really good. It has a stronger scent and it just feels like relaxing. I don't know how else to describe it. I love this scent so much. All right, we have a few more to go. And this one, Shelby Ann turned me on to my last video when I posted trying out her makeup routine. This is the Infallible Blur Perfection up to 24-hour blurring and brightening powder. Light pink, I have it on today. I had it on in that video. I will insert a clip so you can check it out. Drugstore, super finely milled, feels so nice under your under eye. Highly recommend it if you're looking for a pink setting powder, but you don't want to spend a ton of money to get something high end. It is really, really good. Gives you that blurring, brightening look if you're looking for that, or if you have a night out or a special event, you will definitely be achieving that with this powder. So I heard that they only sold it at Target, but I did see it at some other stores recently. So I'm thinking that it's also obviously sold at those stores as well. So it'll be a little easier to get now. This is kind of random, but I've been ordering these for probably a year now. It's really hard to find a protein bar that isn't disgusting. I've tried all of the viral protein brownies things on TikTok, and for me, I don't like them. I think they're gross. They just have this aftertaste like protein. My kids aren't fooled. Nobody's fooled. Doesn't taste good, but these taste good. So it's the chocolate flavor that you have to get if you like it. It's really weird, but I like to pair this with a Diet Coke. It's just like crispy and good. As far as what's in it, it's 180 calories per bar, 4.5 grams of fat, carbs are 17, protein is 21, fiber's only 2, so it's not great for that, but If you're looking for something quick and you want to get more protein and you want a good flavor, I like this one. Watch, you guys will try it and you'll say that's disgusting. It tastes like a dog treat, but for some reason I like it. So I figured I would share. Another summertime favorite that I always get is the Luminoso blush from Milani. It's the best peachy shimmery summer blush. It's what I have on today. I love topping it over liquid blushes. Their whole baked line is phenomenal. I also like to put it on my eyes sometime, and it's just the best for this time of year, or if you're just looking for a peachy blush. Their baked blushes are so good. And lastly, my favorite face wash is the Cerave. In the summer, I go for the foaming facial cleanser for normal to oily skin. In the winter, I go for the drier skin one. So this one cleanses, removes oil, removes makeup, and it has ceramides, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. I just think that their face washes are the best. This is what I always go to. My go-to that I always order is my go-to that I always get from Target. It's just very gentle on skin. It's non-drying. It's gonna do what it needs to do. Not gonna make you break out. Love their products. That's it. So I will put up on the screen some of my other favorite videos if you wanna check that out. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.